Hello everybody. Today I'd like to talk to you all about the genesis of Mentor Mitra, and I'd like to draw a couple of references from my personal journey in high school as well as in the first 2 years of college. So, while I was progressing in my academic life, I had a lot of doubts and I had a lot of concerns regarding my future, my career path, and I kept anticipating whether I was really, capable of achieving my goals and a couple of objectives that I had in mind pertaining to my career path. So I realized that I needed just a little push to excel in my scholastic journey and to excel in my co-curriculars or in the pursuit of any other uh, tasks or any other thing that added value to my uh, student profile back then. And I had an entourage of mentors which comprised my teachers, my parents, then my friends who had supported me, and under their guidance and with a little push from their end, I was driven to prioritize my work, and that was done with effectual time management and priority management techniques. While I was also able to generate outcomes for my academic scores and so on. So it was primarily due to the hard work that I put in, but a mentor had a major role to play in uh, my excellence, I would say. So, in hindsight, I believe that gaining a better clarity of those goals and knowing my options, figuring it all out, and laying a trajectory of my career path by, prioritizing those specific goals with tools like time management had a major role to play in enhancing my performance during the high school years. So, the same is applicable for my college life as well. And I like to say that, with the help and support of a lot of mentors and my friends, I sort of dissociated with negative emotions and unhealthy peer pressure that was earlier hindering my growth. So I reinforced motivational values and values of academic excellence with my mentors, with the entourage that I mentioned, and I built a robust foundation for myself to excel, which also kind of pushed me to progress into this repetitive process of road mapping and plotting my career trajectory from end to end. And all these tools that I'm talking about for the purpose of time management, priority management, and to figure out my goals, I recommended this process to a couple of juniors in my school and also a few people in college, and they found this process really effective as well. So that's when I decided to document the entire process of road mapping my journey from end to end. And I thought that if I can objectively place it in a manner to sort of help people out there, it would do wonders for them the way it did for me. So my friends and I, my peers, my the other co-founder, which is Ankur, he also sort of agreed with the objective the roadmap that I've laid, and he personally applied it, to his life as well. And currently, in one of the big four auditing firms in the world. He's also pursuing a lot of other activities. Uh, and I would also like to say that, this process has largely, by and large, affected a lot of people and helped them generate the predictable outcomes that they've expected. It has pushed people to sort of go beyond their capacity and have a growth mindset to achieve limitlessly. So, in the last few years, numerous students and mostly people of my age, they've benefited from the objective roadmap that we laid for them. And I personally observe that it's if it once you set the right intent, a lot of things are manifested and a lot of goals, they are effectuated. So everybody, each and every person has the ability to start from zero and to rise above their circumstances. It's just about tapping their potential and seeking the right guidance or just a little push from the right person who genuinely wishes to support you in all your future goals. So ultimately, I realized that all the concerns that I had and all the worries that I had in my high school years, and the anticipation of what would happen next and what's going to happen uh, in college or after college was common to all. It wasn't just something that I was concerned with. So my uh, this consequently, this thought, this belief that I could help people out the way I helped myself, consequently became a force to sort of passionately help others and young students primarily realize their potential by enhancing their clarity of goals using the tools that were deployed by me and Ankur. And during the course, like when we started hosting a lot of webinars, we saw that a lot of recognition, a lot of engagement was gained from working professionals as well. And I thought that if we could incorporate a couple of tools that could help them out in the process, it would be great. And that's something we did. We started helping working people out as well. And now we are offering tools like psychometrics counseling and mentorship while focusing on the integral areas of goal setting, time management, priority management, stress regulation, EQ enhancement, along with soft skills development and grooming. So I would like to say that being human, being a human, means that we have a limitless capacity to excel, to tap our potential, and to rise above our circumstances, as I mentioned earlier. So we can stretch to any extent, explore the diverse dimensions, or perhaps you can say the goals that seem unattainable by gaining different experiences and picking up the skills as we proceed in our course. So I firmly believe that a high level of commitment with a sturdy magnitude of emotional intelligence sort of sequentially lowers the impact of failure, because failures are just lessons, and dejection and all those fears that we have, they can be overcome. So, Mentor Mitra is here to help you out in the course of your career journey. It's going to help you figure out where you can reach from where you are at the moment. And this is the course and the knowledge that I and Ankur and our team at Mentor Mitra objectively wishes to disseminate, and the drive that we wish to instill in individuals who doubt their capacity and their resilience to excel.